Have you ever gotten an exciting text about accidentally receiving money through Zelle? Maybe it's from a long-lost friend claiming they messed up a payment, or a stranger offering a too-good-to-be-true deal on that rare gaming console you've been hunting for. The promise of easy money is tempting, but before you hit that send button, hold on a sec. There's a good chance you're about to get scammed. Zelle, a popular money transfer service between bank accounts, is a breeding ground for scammers. Why? Because unlike some payment apps, Zelle transactions are instant and generally considered final. There's little recourse if you send money to the wrong person, especially if it's a scammer. So, how do you avoid becoming their next victim? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of Zelle scams and how to spot them a mile away. Scam number 1, the fake seller. Let's say you're scrolling through a marketplace app, hunting for a vintage record player. You see a perfect one at a bargain price, and the seller insists on using Zelle. This might seem convenient, but be cautious. Here's how the scam works. The seller creates a sense of urgency, pressuring you to send the money before someone else snatches it up. They might even send you a fake shipping confirmation email to make it seem legit. But guess what? You'll never see that record player, and your money will be gone. Red flags. Super low prices. If the deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Pressure to use Zelle. Legitimate sellers are usually open to other secure payment methods. No returns or exchanges. Be wary of sellers who don't offer any return policy. Scam number 2, the phishing frenzy. Phishing emails are classic scams, and Zelle is no exception. You might receive an email that appears to be from Zelle itself, warning you about account issues or promising exciting upgrades. These emails will often contain a link urging you to click and verify your information. Don't fall for it. Red flags. Suspicious sender address. A legitimate Zelle email will come from an address like @zellepay.com. Anything else is a red flag. Generic greetings. Phishing emails often use generic greetings like "Dear Customer" instead of your actual name. Poor grammar and spelling. Legitimate companies take pride in professional communication. Spotty grammar is a sign of a scam. Scam number 3, the fake friend frenzy. This scam preys on your emotions. You might receive a frantic text from someone claiming to be a friend or family member in a dire situation, stranded on a trip, needing emergency medical care, the story goes. They'll plead with you to send them money fast, often through Zelle. Red flags. Urgency and secrecy. Scammers create a sense of urgency and pressure you to act quickly without thinking it through. Out-of-character behavior. If a friend or family member suddenly contacts you through an unusual channel or seems off in their communication, reach out to them directly to confirm the situation. Vague details. Scammers often provide little detail about the situation to avoid scrutiny. Here's the golden rule. When in doubt, don't send it out. Zelle transactions are for people you know and trust. Never send money to someone you haven't met in person, especially for online purchases. If you're unsure about a seller, use a secure payment platform with buyer protection. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Don't let the excitement of a deal or the pressure of a sob story cloud your judgment. Take a step back, verify information, and use common sense. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe out there.